Welcome back, everybody. As you can see behind me, the car is finally off the jack stands. It's all put back together and ready for its first test drive. So we're gonna open up the garage, air this thing up, and go for a ride. This week's video is brought to you by SeatShafts.com, manufacturer of solid stainless steel seat motor drive shafts. Save money on costly seat repairs by replacing the weaker factory shaft with an upgraded, stronger one. Custom sizes available for all makes and models: BMW, Chevy, Dodge, GMC, Mazda, Mercedes, and many more. Visit the link in the description or go to SeatShafts.com. So far so good. All the gears are there, no grinding, no popping out of gears. Everything seems to be working 100%, which is a good relief, especially when you buy a used transmission. You never know if there's really going to be something wrong with it until you actually drive the thing. So far I'm pretty happy with the way everything turned out. You definitely can hear the ZF trans. It is a little noisy. I know I was kind of expecting that, especially with not having a dual mass flywheel, just having a regular flywheel in there. You can really kind of hear everything, but not the end of the world. Just turn the music up. So I am happy with the way it turned out. All right, so I made it back in one piece, so did the car. Everything seemed fine, everything shifted well. I did notice one thing, around 55, 60 miles an hour, there was a vibration as I was accelerating. I'm pretty sure it's a drive shaft, so it's not the end of the world. I'm just gonna have to pull that back out, send it out to get balanced. Unfortunately, I didn't really know the condition. I didn't get to drive the donor car before I got the 6-speed out of, so you're gonna kind of run into those type of things when you're dealing with any kind of used part, but that's just kind of the game. So all in all, I am happy with the way things turned out. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.